Foot mobility, all right? First, press the toes down into the floor. Press, hold, relax. Press the toes down into the ground. Hold that for about 5 seconds. The rest of the foot stays flat. Okay, I'm not arching my foot up. And then relax. And then one more time. Press the toes down. My foot is staying flat. Relax. Press. Grabbing that ground. And relax. Next drill number 2. Press the 4 down. Lift up the big toe. Relax. Press the 4 down. Lift up the big toe. 4 down. Lift up the big toe. 3. There's 4. There's 5. His toes getting tired. Now we're going to lift up. This one's getting better. Put him down. Lift up. Put him down. This is the hardest. Look, I'm doing it. Without turning the foot too much. Lift up. 2 more. Yay. Look, he did it. Lifting him up. And 1 more. Big toe down. Tired, fatigued. And my foot's okay. All right, now, drill number 3. Spread them wide. Pinch them together. Spread the toes wide. Have trouble with this one moment. Pinch them together. Spread the toes wide. Pinch them together. Spread the toes wide. Pinch together. And last one. Look at the spread right there. No spread there. And then bring them together. Okay? So next are waves. So you lift forward. Reach, bend, point your toes up. Reach, bend, point the toes up, pull the toes up towards my shin. Okay, and now, yeah, this one. And hold them up there. Ta-da! Let's do this one. So, spread, bring it back, reach up, pull the toes up to my shin. 2, 3, gosh, that's hard. 4. Really pulling those toes, that's as far as I can do. Down. So now the opposite wave will be scooped down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can do that pointing off of the floor too.